Action.
So we're going to put this power meter on here. We're going to show you remove a power meter. Put one on, it wasn't even tight. I loosened that before I started filming. So take pedals off, put the crank arm forward, put the tool in, push down. If it was a spanner, crank arm forward, tool in, push down. We'll take it off. By putting a power meter on this rider's bike, they're going to learn how to pace better. They're going to learn how to pace better. Keep it around 200 watts or under, and it'll just be a lot easier to track progress and track fatigue. Without power, it's really hard to tell if you're tired or not. But if you know, if you're in a high stimulus environment and you can't push watts, then you either not enough sleep, water, or sugar, or maybe you need a bit more of a warm up. You know, at least 10-20 minutes of warm up, perhaps. So we're gonna take this off. That's what I love about the stage, is it's easy to jump on and off every bike. Running Shimano SRAM, pretty much. It's a bit tight in that one. Just pause the camera for a sec. Or, yeah, just stop it.
Action.
And it's got a little tool here just to loosen it off. Generally that's by hand. Just put it a little tight. So I'm going to take this crank off. And there's like a little saver in here. It just pops off like that. Shimano cranks are easy. We've got stages in here. I think this battery's dead. I'm going to put another one in there, just a tester. Make sure the battery's sort of clean. So I don't wear white, it gets greasy. But clean the battery, put it in there. And I'm just going to sync it with my phone, see if this battery's working. So I can do that while we're turn to the Stages app. Maybe that battery's dead as well. Put another one in there. So it's good to have a variety of batteries in case one's not working. One might be cooked. I recycle my batteries as well. Here we go. Now that's working. That's what people do. They put in a dud battery and it doesn't work. So I'll hold it at 6 o'clock. I'm going to calibrate that. Very simple stuff. Easy to use Stages. Update. I can update the firmware. I'll update that. We'll pause the camera, but that's what it's doing. So you can turn that camera. And it's just updating the firmware. And you always have it at 6 o'clock position. Very easy product to use. Stages, my favourite. Very easy.